In today's video, I will walk you through how to get the voice ID of any voice in ElevenLabs. Once you're logged into your ElevenLabs account, go to your dashboard and look for the Voices section. Click on Voices to open the voice library, where you'll find a wide selection of voices available on the platform. Inside this section, you'll see voices created by both the ElevenLabs team and members of the community. Take a moment to browse through the available options until you find the voice you're interested in. After you've located the voice you want, move your cursor over it. As you hover over the voice, a three-dot icon will appear. This icon gives you access to additional options for that specific voice. Click on the three-dot icon to open the menu. Once the menu appears, look through the available options until you find Copy Voice ID. When you see the Copy Voice ID option, click on it. As soon as you do, the voice ID for that voice will be copied directly to your clipboard. You won't need to copy anything manually, because the platform handles it automatically. If you need the voice ID for another voice, simply repeat the same process. Browse through the voice library, hover over the voice, click the three-dot menu, and choose Copy Voice ID again. You can repeat these steps for as many voices as you need. If you're exploring different voices before making a decision, you can continue browsing through the collection and copy the voice IDs of any voices that interest you. This makes it easy to keep track of multiple voices while you're working on your projects. Whenever you want to copy another voice ID in the future, you'll follow the exact same process. Open the Voices section, locate the voice you want, hover over it, click the three-dot menu, and select Copy Voice ID. The voice ID will immediately be copied to your clipboard each time. The process is quick and only takes a few clicks once you know where the option is located. As long as you're in the Voices section, you'll be able to access the three-dot menu for any available voice and copy its voice ID whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ElevenLabs tutorials and helpful guides.